Hello, this is Gina Newell of eXp Realty in the Madison, Wisconsin area. Today I'm going to give you some insights and observations about Madison from a native-born Madisonian. So, are you thinking of moving to Madison, perhaps for college or for employment? Well, let me give you some insights and observations from a native-born Madisonian. Madison is a beautiful city whose Capitol building is located on an isthmus, which is a strip of land between two lakes, Lake Mendota and Lake Monona. The Ho-Chunk tribe originally lived in this region, thus the names of many states, cities, and waterways are of Native American descent. My grandfather immigrated to Madison from Sicily in 1911 to work on the state capitol building, and he used stone quarried from Sicily and other places. So one of the first things you should do is take a free tour of the Capitol building. From Memorial Day to the end of September, you can visit the observation deck on the 4th floor outside and get the lay of the land, so to speak. The greater Madison area consists of suburbs that literally connect with Madison. So there are also, though, cities, towns, and villages within the boundaries of Madison. So you may find yourself having a mailing address of Madison, but your school district may be different. There are lots of things to do. Recreational activities such as bike trails, hiking trails, dog parks, cultural events such as music venues, plays, shows, art museums, ethnic festivals, and plenty of places to eat and drink. Plus, there are many things to do on the lakes, such as sailing, paddle boating, and fishing. Unemployment is quite low, about 2%, due to large employers such as the university, state government, and larger companies like Spectrum Brands, American Family Insurance, Epic, biotech companies, and computer tech companies. The housing market is robust. The average house price in Madison is currently $376,000 for an average 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, and rents average $1,400 for a 2-bedroom apartment. Taxes are higher than other places at about 1.68% of the property value. We do have a state income tax plus a county's sales tax at 5.5%. Property taxes are higher due to land owned by state government, the university, and religious organizations. Madison is located about 77 miles west of Milwaukee and 120 miles northwest of Chicago. So it's not too far to travel for a pro sporting event or a top music concert. And while Madison has a regional airport with direct flights to some cities, sometimes it's easier to drive 2 hours to go to O'Hare in Chicago for international flights. So personally, though, I find Madison to be friendly and helpful. It is more progressive than other cities. People often say thank you to their bus driver or Uber driver, and we talk with anyone around us. Being a college town, we routinely attend UW sporting events. The last thing to mention is the weather. We actually have 3 seasons: winter, almost winter, and summer. And yes, it can get really cold in January, but schools don't close unless the temperature drops to a wind chill of minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 12 inches of snow or a huge amount of ice, making it dangerous to travel. But in summary, if this sounds like a place you would want to be, let me know how I can help, and thanks for watching.